Hello everyone, Scott Bloom here, and this is going to be the first part in hopefully a very brief Unity tutorial series. What I am going to do is I am going to make a basic incremental game using Unity. And as you can see, I already have a new project up. I've got a couple of folders here, one for scenes, one for scripts. And I already have a scene saved. Alright, so in this part, I am going to focus on the user interface and basic I'm going to script some basic functions for the game. So, okay, the game I have the build settings set to WebGL. So, when I'm done with this, I will post it onto itch.io. And let's see here. The game will be 800 by 600. And go into project settings, player, and the actual page will have an 800 by 600 viewport for the game. So let's get started on the user interface. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to right click over here, go to UI, and we will add the canvas. And what I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, I am going to create an empty object, and I'm going to rename it to user interface. And I'm going to drop the canvas and the event system in there. Like I said, you don't have to do this. It'd be easier for me to do that, or take care of the canvas. So let's check out the canvas settings. Render mode, you got screen space overlay, camera, and world space. I'm going to do screen space camera, and I'm going to click and drag the main camera onto the render camera, and that will put the user face right on top of the, well, not on top of the camera, but it'll be synced to the size and position of the main camera. So let's change that to solid color. I'm just going to leave the background color as is, the default. Okay, so let's add some text objects. This text object I'm going to call, here we go, currency. And I am going to have the pivot at the top left, so pivot X will be set to 0, pivot Y will be set to 1, and the anchor will be top left, and actually let's do this 0.5 by 1, so the pivot will be in the center, and I am going to hold Shift and Alt, and I am going to have it set and stretch to the top. Okay. And let's change the font color to white, make it easier to see while in the scene editor. And I'm just gonna set that to 0. That's gonna be a placeholder. And put that and align the horizontal and vertical to the center. Best fit. Okay, that'll work. Maybe a little bigger. There we go. Yeah, let's just set the height to 50. Okay, so this text box right here will display how much we've made with our things. So, all right, and let's see here. Let's add a button, a UI button, and I'm just gonna leave it in the middle for now, just for simplicity's sake. And I'm gonna enter collect money for the button. Okay, so we're almost done here. I'm gonna create a new empty object, not under the button. Okay, and I'm going to call this main, or actually not main operation. Yeah, main operation. That'll work. Okay, so reset the position 0, 0, 0. Alright, so where did it go? Okay, so it greatly expanded, so that's weird. Okay, whatever. Alright, and I am going to start on a script. Actually, I think I'm going to do a couple of scripts here. First script will be for the main currency, so I'm just going to call it main currency. Hopefully, MonoDevelop won't crash on me. That's if it opens. There we go. Honestly, I hate MonoDevelop. I would actually prefer to use Notepad++, but there are no Unity definitions for Notepad++. Okay, so I'm going to... Is it Tools? Yeah, Tools, Options. Let's see here. Alright, fonts. And I'm going to increase the font. Let's see here. I'm going to see if I could double it. So let's see here. 20. 9, so that'll be 18. And again, 20. Just to make sure that you guys can read it. Okay, so I will be adding the using Unity Engine .ui namespace, so we can use the text box and the button. So, but for this, it'll just be limited to the text object. So, public text currency text. Okay, and let's see here. I'm gonna do a float for my currency. I'm just gonna call it current money. And if you want to, you can do like a public string for currency name if you want. Float current money. Okay, so start. Okay, use this for initialization. So when the scene starts up, it'll run the following script, which I will do currency text equals currency name plus colon space plus current money .toString. So when it starts up, it'll look like this: currency name 0. Alright. And I guess I'll just add, well, yeah, I'll add this to the update function. And that's it for that. Okay, minimize that. Go back to Unity. And I am going to create a new C# script. I'm just going to call it button script. And this script will be used for when you click on the button. Okay, why did it do that? Well, whatever. So, yeah, I was actually kind of thinking about, yeah, I think I'll do that for the time being. Using, well, what I was thinking was, I'm going to be making more than one button, but that'll come much later. So, using Unity Engine.ui, that'll be for the button. Public button. Just call it button object. Let's see here. Public float base price. Actually, the base price would be 0, but how about next price? Okay. Let's see here. Next price. Okay, let's do that 10.0F. Okay, start, not going to do anything there. Update, not going to do anything there, so we don't need these. Public void by level. let's see here, and I'm going to do a public float currency given. This will be added to the main currency script, so let's also add that. So public main currency. Oh, yeah, it's kind of screwed up there, so. Alright, let's see here, what else do I need? Okay, so that's... And let's do an int. Actually, floats and ints don't work, so not together. So I'll do a float object level equals 1.0f. All right, so let's see here. Public by level. So, okay, so that'd be a second. No. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna do that right now. So let's see here. Don't need that. Not yet, anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna rename by level to give money. And what this will do is, so your public float currency given. Okay, so what this will do is I will do main currency dot currency name. No, not that. Alright. I know I did. Okay, current money, so I think that should be public. Yeah, public float, current money plus equals currency given. Okay, so let's say the currency given equals 5.0f. Then it will, then when you click on the game object, it will add 5 credits to your current total. So there are other ways to do this. You could do main currency dot currency equals main currency dot current money plus currency given. But the easiest way to do it is actually plus equals currency given. Like I said, it does that, and if you wanted to, you could do a whole new. You could make a whole new function. Give money to, and let's see here. We could do float given money, and we could do give money to, and currency given, and that will main currency dot current money plus equals given money. So basically, if you were to go this route, it would inject the currency given float into this, and yeah, but we don't need that. That's too much. Main currency dot current money plus equals currency given. So yeah, that's really all there is to that. So you're scripting basic function. Okay, and we're going to do some play testing. So, okay, so no errors. That's good. So what we need to do, main operation, I will add, oops. Okay. Whatever. I will add the two scripts. And right now, button object, go drag that button object there. Main currency, drag main operation, currency given. Yeah. So that was 5.0f, so, and you can put it to whatever amount that you want. You can go into negatives, it looks like, so just do 5. Okay, currency text. Okay, that'll be that text object. Currency name, just call it credits. Current money 0, so okay. Let's Control S to save and start the game. It might take, there we go. Credits 0. Okay, so collect money. Oh yeah. Duh, one thing I forgot to do. Let's go into button. Where it says on click, click the plus button. Make sure it's set to runtime only. None object, so we're going to be dragging main operation onto there. And I want button script. And I want give money. Okay. Control S to save again. Okay, so credit 0, and when I click it, gives us 5. Okay. So yeah, that's the first part of this incremental tutorial. So thank you for watching, and stick around for the next part. See you later.